This is Kemei's professional hair dryer. The product has passed the international certification. I chose the deep brown one. Deep blue and black color also available in market. You can see there are 3 buttons in the hair dryer. After plugging the wire, switch it on and then press the sky button. Use the black button for cool air. You can also increase and decrease the cool wave by this. This red button for hot air. This nozzle will help you to keep your hair straight. You will get 1 leaflet in this box. Don't forget to apply the heat protector on your hair. Keep the hot surface of machine away from the skin so avoiding scald.